I love curry goat and I love roti. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we have to make our green seasoning. It's basically all of your herbs that you're going to use, but you blend it up and it makes it more potent. I didn't have any Scotch bonnet pepper, but that's okay. You can use the pepper sauce. Next, after washing your meats, go ahead and season it. Then I'm going to add on some of the green seasoning, and this is best if you let it marinate overnight. Next, we're going to add some oil to the pan along with the curry. This method is called burning the curry. Although we don't want to actually burn the curry, we just want to cook it long enough to release the natural flavors and spices. Once we add the meat to the pot, we're going to add a little bit of water and let it cook down, and I like to add a little bit of potatoes. I'm adding some more thyme and scallion because my meat is almost done cooking and I want it to have that fresh flavor. You'll know it's done when your meat has made its own gravy and it's fork tender. Making roti is a long process, so I didn't get to film everything, but oil your frying pan and we're going to brown it on both sides. You can eat the roti like this, or you can clap it up and do the churny style bust up shut. It's so chewy and buttery. Look at those layers. I'm so glad I spent time with my grandmother in the kitchen as a child because now I can make this for myself. And it's safe to say she would approve. And it came out just how I wanted it. Like and follow for more. Bye!